Welcome to Spring LIB.
Hi there. In this problem, we have a metal, actually a metal's ions in solution, but we do not know the actual charge of this metal. However, so I'm giving the charge the letter N, so that means N electrons are going to be added to that. To produce the solid metal, which is plating out. And we know that we plate out 0.109 grams of this metal. All right, and the question wants to know, why can N not be positive 1? In other words, N is not equal to 1. We need to show why that would be. So let's take some of the information we know. We know that we have 1.25 amps, which really means coulombs per second. And this plated for 150 seconds. So seconds will cancel. And Faraday's constant tells us the number of coulombs per mole of electrons. So in 1 mole of electrons, we have 96,485 coulombs. Solving for this gives us the number of moles of electrons. So we have 0.001943 moles of electrons. If N were 1, so we're saying let N equal 1, which we're trying to show why it can't be. So if we let N equal 1, 0.001943 moles of electrons would be equal to the number of moles of the metals, because if N is 1, then the coefficient on M is going to be 1. So if N is 1, we would have 0.001943 moles of the metal. Well, we know molar mass is grams per mole. So let's figure out what the molar mass of this is by taking the grams that were produced and dividing by the moles of the metal when we assume that the charge is 1 plus. This gives us a molar mass of about 56 grams per mole. So looking at the periodic table, the element on the periodic table, which is 56 grams per mole, is iron. Well, think about what we know about iron. Iron can exist as 2 plus or an oxidation state of 3 plus, but never 1 plus. So this cannot have a molar mass of 56 grams per mole because it cannot be iron. So therefore, the charge cannot be 1 plus. All right. So that shows why this charge, I'm going to do a little therefore sign here. So that shows why in this reaction, it is not possible for those cations that are being deposited as a metal, it's not possible for them to have the 1 plus charge. Right. Thanks so much for watching.